And it's four-wheel drive, so.
Yeah, I felt that.
What's up, YouTube? It's boy Last Part, I'm gonna come at you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got an absolute banger. We're gonna be riding in this 1300 horsepower Trackhawk right here. I'm here with
Kim the Scammer.
Okay, is that your IG? Or
that's my IG.
Yeah, so make sure you guys follow her IG. So yeah, we're gonna hop straight into this video, guys. Get a reaction to the car. And yeah, let's hop straight into this video.
So what's the fastest car you ever been in?
Probably a Hellcat.
Perfect. Okay. This isn't a Hellcat. This is a little bit faster than a Hellcat.
Okay. I love the color.
Thank you. And it's four-wheel drive, so.
Yeah, I felt that.
You got the inner tiller on too?
Yeah. Too many cars. If I ever go back to them, they're never gonna freaking look at this car. They're gonna be like, nah.
Oh yeah. Pulled up the car, Mac.
Bro, that's so weird.
I'm about to watch this.
Oh, it has to.
How fast does this travel?
It's pretty fast. Fastest I've gone in it is 133.
Never gone over 110.
Got him. We got him.
At least myself driving the car. So what are you gonna title this video?
No, yes. Probably taking a girl OnlyFans on a ride.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Hey, that's cool. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm about to say that's gonna run your views up too.
yeah, for sure. Thank you.
By the way, guys, this is the streets of Mexico right now. We are not anywhere local.
We on our way, Rosarito.
Faster than the Hellcat?
Faster than Hellcat, for sure.
Throwing smoke? What's going on?
I smell something.
Yeah, I can look at it. I'm just gonna tell Josh too, like, hey, I'm blowing smoke. I just did an oil change on it too, so maybe a little bit of oil. I'll pull up quiet. It's like the fourth time I pulled up to his house.
I know, every time I pull up, Red. Is it cool? Alright, so what did you think about the ride?
It was fast.
Scale 1 to 10.
11.
11? That's solid for sure. So yeah, make sure you guys follow her. Make sure you guys
Like
follow
and
me.
subscribe to Gabe.
Yeah, well,
Thank you for letting me on.
Oh yeah, of course,
Awesome.
it's all good. So yeah, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe.
We out.
Peace.
Bye.